Hey everyone, it's Tina Petersen, broker with Uncommon Ground, the Helena Bozeman team. And today I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe for Fiesta chicken soup. I start with about 3 cups of chopped chicken, and I use a rotisserie chicken just because it's so much easier than getting some chicken breasts and cooking them up. 6 cups of chicken broth, a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 14.5-ounce can of black beans that have been rinsed and drained. Then we have 4 ounces of fire roasted green chilies. And we've chopped up a medium onion, 1 red pepper, a tablespoon of freshly minced garlic. For seasonings, we have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And then when we get this all done, right before we serve it, we are going to add some fresh lime juice and garnish it with fresh cilantro, some chopped avocado, and then some cheese. I like to use a 4 cheese like Mexican blend. It's just a lot of flavor and a lot of fun. So the first thing we're going to do is I have a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil here on about medium-high heat. We are going to soften up these onions and red peppers, and when those are softened, we're going to add that garlic for about another minute till it gets nice and fragrant, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So our onions and our peppers and our garlic have softened up nicely, and we are just going to add the rest of our ingredients except for our garnish, and then we are going to simmer this for about 20 minutes. So we're going to add our chicken, our beans, tomatoes, our green chilies, our seasoning, and our chicken broth. So our soup has been simmering for 20 minutes, and now we are going to just squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to serve that and garnish it with the fresh cilantro, the avocado, and the 4 cheese blend. So thank you for watching our video on our Fiesta chicken soup. We will have the recipe at the end, and enjoy. Bye!